Hello everyone, welcome to Perry Tutorial. Today we're gonna download RLBot. If you don't know what RLBot is, it's basically Rocket League bot designed by community. So if you see a link in the description, you should find this page. In this page, you will see a download RLBot for Windows. If you want to have the OS, you must do some other stuff, but Windows is the easiest way, so I'm going to just show Windows today. You press there and then you press save file. It should be a quick download. Complete it in just a few seconds. You open it. Press OK. Then you get this message by Windows Protection. It's okay, it just needs to download some stuff, but Windows sees it as a risk. So just press info and then run anyway. Here's the wizard. Since I have already downloaded it, it will say remove or repair. I'll just have a repair, but it should just say install, and it will check with you if you want it to do any changes. Yes, we want it to download. And when everything is successfully installed, you just press close and you got it in the system. Then you just need to search RLBot, and then the GUI should show up. Then this command prompt will be launched, and it will say a bunch of stuff here. For me, it won't say a lot of yellow, but the yellow basically means that it's downloading something. For you that's downloading this for the first time, it will say a lot of downloads. For me, it would just launch it. Now it's all finished launched. As you can see, there's a lot of bots to pick from, not just the Psyonix bots. For you, it will be empty here. What you need to do then is you need to press add and download bot pack. We will ask you, or it won't ask you. It will just be start downloading the pack, and you'll end up with all the bots. So if you press all here, you get all these bots. It's not harder than that. Just press download bot pack and you get them all. And how you want to play Rocket League with these bots is you put human on one side, and the bots you want to play against on the other side, and you just press launch Rocket League and start match. What you don't want to do is start Rocket League and then press this button, because it will come an error message. You must have Rocket League started by RLBot. This type of Rocket League will not be able to play online mode. It will be an offline mode Rocket League, and you, for obvious reasons, so you can't like try to get the bot into an online lobby. If you press this, it should say starting match. You should see a Rocket League icon pop up and it start. Yeah, and it would just start you right into a match with a Rocket League bot. So what if you have any problems, then you need to join the RLBot community, which have a Discord, and that Discord helps you with any problem that can pop up. I have been there and I have checked it out. They're very active and they answer in under 5 minutes. But yeah, it should just start up Rocket League and should be ready to go. So that was the end of the tutorial. I see you next time.